We are live. We are live. I'm going to summon in Origin Argentavis today. Alright.
Number 2.
Alright, it's in. There he is. Time to go bipedal on his ass.
I hear it, but nothing's running yet.
Where are you?
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, shit. I can throw my cryo out in 100 seconds.
It's fine.
Is he doing a bleed on you or anything?
No, just 10k per hit.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
I've got potions too, so.
Yeah, I got 14 on me too. How much life does he have?
Only 39 million.
100 million.
39 million.
It?
I'm hitting him for like 2.2 million every hit. Or 0.1. Kick his ass, sea bass! Come on, man, you're missing out.
I know. I got 60 seconds before I can throw a cryo out. Otherwise, my guy will be asleep. 45, 40. Come on.
Don't worry, he's only at 30 million.
You wanna know? You wanna know what was a bitch to kill? The Origin, Caracu, the fucking penguin. He just kept fucking going back. It's like everything hit him like a lot. You know what I mean? I don't know. He was just being a little bitch.
The aloe was pretty rough.
Oh, the aloe, that bitch.
The wyvern's gonna be nearly impossible.
Yeah, the wyvern's gonna be really fucking hard, huh?
Damn, you're doing 167? Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you see that rock drake behind you over there? Can you see who that is?
That is
he's behind you.
a... Yeah, my spyglass never decides to work. I killed a primal rock drake last night.
Yeah, you get the skin from it?
I
Should
didn't
give
really
you a
look.
little skin, the little costume.
It's just a rock drake level 30.
Hey Tom, thanks for liking the stream. How you doing today? Jesus. This thing's hurting. Can you get any gear from this thing?
Should hopefully. I don't know. Usually I'm the one on the weakest giga. I'm gonna stop at 1 mil.
Alright. I'm good, man. I'm good,
2.3, 2.2, 1 mil, 1.8, 1.5, 1.2, 1 mil. Bam. It's all yours from here on. 400k. 400k, man. Dead.
Oh, I had the spyglass on. Like, why did I get shit? Oh shit.
Tech generator, tech force field, tech transmitter.
Replicator. Oh
Boom.
shit. I
There
got
you
it
go.
all, man.
There you go.
And I got element too. Yeah, split this in half. You got 280 element or 270 element out of the deal.
Did you? You can have it. You can have it. We got like 3,000 element.
Got a pre-made ascended primal compound bow and a pre-made ascended 600-700 damage pump shotgun.
Ooh.
And a max XP potion too.
I love getting the max XP potions, huh?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Well, shit, I could spawn all the origins in. If I want to kill the wyvern, I'll just fucking get inside a building or something to spawn and lock it in there.
Bro, it hurts. I don't know. I think the origins can break metal wood. No?
Oh, I don't know. I don't want to risk it to find out.
Yeah, right. Fuck that. Because whatever you go in there, into battle with is dead.
Yeah, pretty much.
Brandon lost his celestial, his level 600 celestial dragon.
Celestial dragon? Where did you get that from?
He tamed it.
Wyvern, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Same
okay.
thing. Like a dragon, wyvern, whatever.
That was a waste. Yeah. That's a shitty because the breaths don't scale.
What do you mean?
Like like if you get an apex wyvern, the lightning breath on those things don't scale at all. It's the same damage it does on stock, like basic level.
Oh really?
Yeah, like it's like taming a celestial wyvern isn't fucking worth it.
Every breath it did. Like the bite was obviously faster. Like the bite was hitting 100 Ks every time, but 120 Ks every time. But the whatchamacallit, the breath was doing 400 Ks. But
was it fire or was it fire?
It was an ice.
Interesting. Because my apex lighting I had did 300 fucking damage per like every second. That's all it did.
Oh really?
And it had like 2K melee. It was a 370 apex. Like I don't know if it was broken or what, but like it wasn't doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Weird. Fuck's my head.
Okay. Has me pissed.
Yeah.
He's been hunting for that fucking RG.
Has he really?
Yeah, I don't think we never realized that you can create them on the bench like that.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, me and Brandon both said that we're not stopping until we defeat the big giant rock on here.
Oh yeah, that's the creator or whatever his name is.
Yeah, but in order to defeat it, we have to kill the creator.
Well, you have to also kill the Empress too, I think.
Yeah. Yep.
Good luck with that bullshit.
Yeah, he wants to kill. Hold on, what is it? I'm trying to find the engram. You can't even unlock the engram until you defeat the creator, but then to defeat the creator, you have to go through the tech cave, don't you?
I don't know.
Pretty sure you do.
I haven't really got that far yet.
Yeah, because the creator is like... Yeah. It's like that thing that can be all... You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it'll fuck you up.
It can be all of it.
Yeah,
hell yeah.
Even the notes say it's fucking nearly impossible to beat.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's supposed to be super fucking hard.
Yeah, hopefully you do add in these Apex fucking Titan, dude. Can you imagine killing an Apex fucking Titan, dude? You're gonna need 6, 7, 8 fucking gigas, dude, to go after this bitch.
Yeah, but the problem with adding in, well, I guess I could. I can customize what bosses are in there, but I mean, it can get out of fucking hand. But I like to have more people on the server before I start hitting that, man. I mean, I don't know. Just my opinion. Like, I'll think of some ideas how I get some more people on here. You know. Ooh, Origin blood. Fuck yes. Ah yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Good old Origin bullets.
Yeah, because, like, I remember when killing an Origin was like, ooh, that bitch hits hard. And now it's like, you know, our Giga's hatched with, 14 million life, so it's like, nah.
Do I have an Argentavis?
What the fucked up with this shit level? Shitty.
What are you talking about?
The shit, Giga. Not bad. Actually, didn't hatch out too bad. Hatch out same
yeah,
stats
Tom,
as mine.
it's PC only, buddy.
Just give me a damn.
PC only, my friend.
Do you know if the Gigas can hatch out with imprints? Well, like the Apex and shit. I wonder.
Hatch out what?
With like imprints.
What do you mean?
I mean not imprints. Mutations. I'm sorry.
Oh, that I don't know. We were just talking about me and Anna were talking the other day, wondering color mutations or any melee mutations. Can you imagine a melee mutation? Like even 1 point would fucking give it a good boost.
I know, right?
So you know. Oh, I downloaded Black Ops 4, dude. That shit is sick. You played that yet? Have you played that yet?
No.
Yeah, dude, it's insane.
Yeah.
Something to take the stress and frustration out on. Alright. So we got that done. Now I can create my replicator. I can do it inside the crafting station, right? Or what?
I don't know how Josh made ours, to be honest. Oh, my fucking feet smell so fucking bad today, dude.
S plus crafting station. So I get black pearls. Where the hell are you getting black pearls at?
We have a lot of black pearls, dude. If you
Where are you getting them from?
The ocean.
Okay, we're not ocean bound. Yeah, I got a spino I could probably take in there.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, fucking take that. Yeah, there you go.
He has how much oxygen? 11,000. He should be fine. Yeah, I need to take a trip down the ocean, and that's the case. Let me get a tech generator made though. I think I can just make that without making a computer first. Let's see.
Some celestial
Okay,
kibble.
tech shield too. That's insane.
What happened?
I learned a tech shield engram too.
Yeah. We have 2 tech shields, but I don't know why the fuck they're never up.
Tech teleporter, I learned.
Tell me that won't be fucking helpful, huh?
Damn right. Transmitter. Oh, I can make a transmitter! I told Anna, I'm like, look, man, I said this, we gotta make a decision on this S Plus transmitter because Black and White has one, and he's like, well, we're not getting rid of it because they haven't used theirs. We haven't used one yet, so use ours. I was like, well, we'll just keep
honestly,
keep it in the server.
It's too OP.
It's very OP.
It's way too OP in my opinion.
As soon as somebody joins the server, we're getting rid of it. I told him. As soon as another person walks in this server.
Yep.
Or we can actually disable the scan on it. I just found out. So.
Oh really?
Yeah, so we can just disable the scan, and then that way people can just use it. Go. But Honor's like, well, we gotta use it a few times. I don't use it myself, but well, just use it. You know, if you want to use it, use it. It's just gonna make your game fucking, easy.
Yeah, that's true. It's gonna make it stupid easy. Yeah, don't get me wrong. Like the second we got this, we're like, oh, there's no more flying around for shit now. Yeah, it's like, what do you mean? Like that was the fun shit, like creating our own dino wipes. Like, you know what I mean? Go out there, you kill everything in fucking sight, and then whatever spawns after that, you know that you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Squids. Yeah, it's
Ooh, guess what?
What?
There's some 260 indoms on the map.
Where they at?
6732. Go, move.
6732. Oh,
yep.
That's over by Red Obby, isn't it?
I don't know. Is it by me?
Well, the egg I got earlier, I didn't have to kill them. I just made sure that they were next to each other. And when they were.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then when they were next to her, they laid an egg. That's what I saw happen. You didn't have to kill them.
You see, I just killed both of them at the same time. Like, I just started munching them up.
That's probably what happened, is they were next to each other while you're killing them, and they just happened to lay an egg.
You know what? Come to think of it, the one that didn't lay an egg, the male was so fucking far away.
Yeah.
Come to think of it, so that dude, yeah, that must be it, huh?
Where's he? 6732.
Yep.
Let's go take a look.
Probably right over by me. They're just alphas.
Just about there. Here we go. Okay. This fucking horse is the fastest thing in the server. Alright, so it's in the field next to your base then.
Yeah, it must be.
This field is popping all the time. Come over here.
Yeah, way too OP in this fucking field, huh?
Okay, I see him. Oh, it's a white one and a red one, yeah.
I didn't see him yet.
Keep him close. We want to keep him right like this. Now, I have him. I gotta get the other one over here. These are like the coolest looking dinos in the freaking server, man.
Dude, they're mega fast, bro. Have you raised one yet already?
No. I was waiting to get a good level.
Oh, okay.
Let me hit this guy so I can bring him over to the other one.
Dude, oh my god, dude. We have at least 30 eggs of Indoms in our base, but I've been eating them now. You know what I mean? I've just been eating them since we have our breeding pair now of 290 and 300.
Yeah. Alright, here comes the other one. So we just gotta get them next to each other and see what happens.
What the fuck? That was weird.
Getting them close to each other is a trick, because they fucking wander. You gotta be careful with this fucking horse because he gets stuck in them.
Does it? Ooh, that sucks.
So fast, like it just like gets in a weird position. Alright, so now they're next to each other. They're like sitting next to each other, sitting still. Let's see what happens.
18. Bro, that has to be inside a cave. That is inside a cave. 100%.
What's that?
Look up this apex megalodon with the alpha mosasaur, and they're inside the same spot, so it has to be a cave. So is the other apex megalodon is also inside this cave. So it has to be a cave. Bottom.
Yeah, I got stuck in one.
You good?
I think so.
Should be good.
Come over here just in case.
What's up?
So you want to come over here just in case?
Yeah, I'm coming. What are the chords again?
That field right next to your base, by the griffin spawn. The big field with the little mountain there with the griffins.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming. I'll bring this Origin. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll saddle. Alright, bring this grip. Go. Next to the Griffins, gotcha.
He's trying to pull away from me.
Yep. Well, what's your life at? You good with life?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just stuck. I've got 2 of them on me now, so I killed one.
I'm coming. I see him.
Oh shit. Help, 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 help.
Yep.
Fucking hell, man. Fucking
You want me
horse.
to kill it?
Yeah, go ahead and kill it. The horse is losing his fucking mind. Ow.
Oh, here's my Origin armor. It's on this fucking guy.
Your what armor?
My Origin armor.
Oh, you get Origin armor, eh?
Yeah, this plate chest piece has 2,452 armor on it.
Jesus. Yeah.
Oh, I see the egg. I see the egg. Come here.
Where?
Come here. Right here.
Nice.
Grab it. Grab it.
It
Grab
doesn't
it.
glow, that's why I couldn't see it.
Here, I'm gonna eat the body. Hold on.
Alright. Dude, thank you.
No problem. Damn, you got one finally, huh?
I think he laid it as they're both together beating the fuck out of me.
Maybe.
Heck yeah, I'm gonna go put this in my, what's dark as shit? Put this
You
in
can't use an incubator for him, by the way.
You mean hatchery?
Yep, can't use it. I know, it doesn't work. It works on the Apex Gig Egg, though. So you're good there.
Are you sure you can't use a hatch?
It didn't work. It didn't work for us, anyway.
Let's see.
If you can, let me know. I'll fucking boil all mine down.
Alright, I'm trying to find. It's so dark out here. I can't see a damn thing.
Gamma 5 it.
Yeah, I hate doing that shit, man. I get like it's you do it so much, it kind of like just washes the game out for you.
No, come on. Alright, let me see here. Celestial Spino. Why the fuck is this bitch so weak? The fuck?
What are you talking about?
My Celestial Spino is so weak. Fuck it.
You can get yourself a fucking Chaos Wyvern or something. Spirit Wyvern. This thing's nasty. That's the highest tier you can get.
Yeah, right? That'd be fucking badass. Imagine what those motherfuckers hit, dude.
Well, I got chased down by one out on my horse, and he almost outran me.
Shut the fuck up,
No,
really,
I'm
dude?
serious. Yeah, he chased me
Damn.
down. Yeah, I'm shit. I can't see my face. Is it the rain
Come
or the
on.
fog? Is it the fog?
This is fucking rain right now. Pissing me off. You should disable the fog, though.
I
It's
did.
bad.
It is disabled.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
God, man.
See, I'm the only one that doesn't get the fog.
No, it's disabled. That's the problem. And it's still foggy as shit.
Jesus. Come on, you fucked. Where the hell did you guys put these guns, bro? I'm trying to fucking...
So, if you put down the... the Indom egg, you have to put it inside, put it down on the ground. Okay. And then you get the hatchery, which takes your fertilizer.
Yo, these legs have 4,037 armor. Origin armor. These Origin boots have 1,000 armor.
Jesus.
Nothing can hit you in them, dude. Like, you can literally walk through the swamp if you
Alright,
want.
so
If
what
you
you
really
gotta
wanted
do is you
to.
gotta
Yeah,
drop the egg on the ground, and then
yeah, and then let it take it, right?
yeah, it took it. It has
Is it working?
It's incubating, yeah.
Oh shit, really?
That's how we did ours.
Oh yeah, well yeah, that's how we do our other one, but
It never took it? Is that what the problem was?
it just wasn't working.
Like, it wasn't incubating. It's incubating.
Yeah.
It's just went down one. Yeah, it's incubating.
Oh shit, nice.
They're
Good.
fucking
Okay.
noobs.
We're noobs. You're a fucking
I have
noob,
never
man.
even talked. I didn't know you can summon these fucking things in the game.
Okay. Where the fuck is Zek's body? Here you are, you little bit. Full Origin armor.
How did you get Origin armor? Off the Origin? Off killing an Origin?
Yep.
What the hell? You know fucking Origin armor. I got gypped.
Like, god damn it, I got gypped. Yeah, it's like a bitch to get. No, not like a.
It doesn't break, right? Is that what it's supposed to be?
Dude, like, I mean, unless you're getting hit by an Origin, like, no, dude, not really, dude. I mean, it's pretty crazy.
I've got a pair of 4,000 armor primal gloves.
Yo, imagine if they fucking had like Origin fucking oxygen tank, huh? That'd be nice. It never runs out.
Have you seen the primal gas mask that doesn't break?
No, I have not.
The gas mask you make with the mod doesn't break, and it doesn't have that green fucking tint to it either.
Shut up, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Daddy wants one of those. That's what I need.
Why are all these feathers in here? What the fuck? That's where they went. Shit, I need, all I need right now is fucking, it's like 17 more electrics, and I'll have enough to make, another celestial kibble, or I can make a demonic kibble too, because I'm pretty close to having 40 in all those as well.
Ooh, demonic. Imagine making a fucking demonic kibble.
I saw a demonic Ovis that about fucking kicked my ass.
Oh yeah, I ran into a demonic bulldog that spanked my ass, bro.
I'm tempted to get a fucking Ovis. Tempted, just because I've always it's super fast. They just kick everybody's fucking behinds, man.
Yo,
that'd be funny. Alright. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom.
alright. fucking celestial spinal just died.
Yours did?
Yeah.
How the fuck did that happen?
I jumped off the cliff and it lagged and fucking I didn't jump off in time.
It lagged.
Yeah, I was like, it's like a cause you know that cliff behind my base, like with the ramp going down.
Huh?
I leaped off that, and it just I hit E, but fuck
Dude,
it.
this guy's
All right.
gonna have your ass.
Nah, it's all right. I tamed it, so. Oh shit, our doors are left. What the fuck?
Well, great. Now I have the only Spino in the server. We should have fucking bred him at least.
What's up?
Now I have the only celestial Spino. We should have bred him.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh yeah, we should have.
You got him killed.
All right, I'll tame him.
Way to go.
He sucked anyway. Only had 3 million life.
I'm gonna go for a demonic. I ain't going for no damn celestial.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a demonic.
Oh shit.
Or I can just make the kibble to get a spirit. But I need 5 demonic and 5 celestial kibble. Yeah, it's incubating.
I'm going to get more shit for fucking the storage thing is the tech storage.
You need the ammo pile.
Yeah, I've been farming it like fucking crazy. Everywhere I go, I get a little bit closer. I need to tame a fucking Tuso. That's what I need to tame.
What's a celestial pieces, is there?
I want if I wonder if it really is.
How big they are though, to be honest, to get like a Apex Tuso, how the size difference is like
yeah, it'd be a big fucking Tuso. I wouldn't want to run into that bitch.
You can get an Alpha and Apex. It's the highest saddle I see on here.
Oh, what for Tusos?
Yeah, Tuso's highest is Apex.
Yeah, but you can even get an Alpha Megalodon, but you can't tame an Alpha Megalodon.
Huh?
Yeah, I've looked. I've killed like 3 Alpha Megalodons and like I got non-tameable.
Oh yeah, it's probably it's not the mod one. It's the original one.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a few minute break. I don't know my nap. And I got
Alright.
So I'll see you in a little bit.
What did you say that you're gonna go nap? Is that what you...
No, I wait my daughter for a nap and get her changed and all that stuff. And I gotta pick the kids up from school in about an hour maybe.
Oh really?
Yup. Single daddy life.
Dude, you're fucking telling me, yeah. Oh, then again, I mean, oh my god, this is a fucking base.
Well, at least you have Mama around to help when Mama's home.
Yeah, but I mean, her real mom is a fucking ass. I gotta deal with her real mom.
Yeah, Honor's base is fucking huge. You seen it?
No. Oh, inside the redwood.
No, it's up on the hill by me. Well, it's
You
close.
still
What's up?
you still talk to like their real mother? Did you win custody of them?
No. I get them 4 days at a time. We split custody. So I get them my 4 days off, and then when she's working, or whenever I'm working, I don't have kids.
Oh shit, that's nice, right?
Yeah, it's convenient. It's just mom can't handle the kids on her own, and she freaks out, and she wants more personal time and all this stuff, and she's
Oh,
it's a little crazy.
Yeah, same thing with her, with like my kid's mother. Can you take her? Like for what? Wait, what the fuck you mean? For what?
Oh, I love having my kids. I don't I don't ever like say like I don't want
Oh yeah, same, yeah.
free time.
I'm always like, listen, I'll take them
I had free
whenever.
time for the first 18 years of my life. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna run. I'll catch you in a little bit, man.
All right, dude.
I'll
All right.
think of some ways to try to get some people in here. I think I can have a couple ideas. We could probably try to push through and see what happens. I'm sure we can get players. Like, just gotta, like,
Yeah, I'm sure we could.
everybody
Yeah.
else gets players. Why can't we? I mean, what the hell?
Yeah, right. Even one.
Even like, yeah, one's kind of, yeah.
But okay, but you know what I'm saying. Like
I
one.
might have to do starter packs for a while or something because, you know, something to get people enticed to play on here.
Yeah. You might have to. Oh shit.
I'll be back in a little bit, man.
All right, dude. I'll see ya.
All right, guys. I'm ending the stream here. Thanks for joining me. I'll post this stream onto Facebook and YouTube as well. We have a YouTube channel, and you can view them there. Y'all have a great day. Take care. We got a YouTube channel now for this for my stream, so I'm putting videos up there.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I just put
nice.
first video. I'm gonna put this one up there too, and that way I can get some people from YouTube on my stream, and more people see the stream, more people hopefully play. So.
Yeah, right. The more people you get watching, the more people are like, oh, I want to join that server.
All right, later.
All right, just see ya.
I don't know.